So the next line is,
they'll be crawling from the woodwork.
so you're just gonna step left with your right out. So honestly, you're just gonna take 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. And then the next line,
rising up from the floor.
so you're gonna pop your left knee, go rising up from the floor. Next line,
dropping down from the skylight.
dropping down from the skylight, you're just gonna go wave, wave, wave down. And so this is the other side, so you can do it that way. So it's gonna go,
They'll be crawling from the woodwork, rising up from the floor, dropping down from the skylight.
okay, so the next line is,
They'll be knocking down the door.
so you're just gonna go 3 knocks and down. So from the back, it's just gonna go like knock, 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 down. Okay, so let's now try this all with music. Make sure to take very small steps because you don't want to take yourself out of your place while you're dancing, so make sure to make your arm movements look very big. Okay, let's go. Final chorus, you're just gonna do the same choreography. Guys are gonna do theirs, girls are gonna do theirs. And then when the saxophone plays, we know to do the yeah, yeah, yeah. And so how it's gonna look like is, gonna use your right hand. And you're gonna go, yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's like you're shaking something off your hand. And from your way, how you're gonna do it is gonna look, yeah, yeah, yeah. And then rock around the block, you're just gonna go rock around the block. Just like normal. So, yeah, 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 rock around the block. Okay, so after the 2 yeah, yeah, yeahs, we're just gonna finish with some ponies. So we're just gonna go right, left, right, left, right, left. And on the final rock around the block, you're gonna go into position all together and do a little fun, cute pose with a partner. So you're gonna go rock around the block, pose, or whatever you want to do. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Everyone get to center stage.